Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P25DF-77, pertains to a malfunction within the Variable Valve Timing Control (VTC) system in the 2023 Honda CR-V. This error occurs when the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) detects a significant phase difference between the command sent for the intake camshaft phase and its actual position. The VTC system optimizes engine performance and efficiency by adjusting the timing of the intake camshaft. If the PCM identifies that this adjustment is outside specified parameters, it triggers DTC P25DF-77. Key components, like the VTC oil control solenoid valve, are involved in this system and help regulate oil flow to the VTC actuator, located near the engine's camshaft. Proper functioning of the VTC is crucial for controlling engine dynamics, ensuring smooth operation, and maintaining fuel efficiency. DTC P25DF-77 indicates a malfunction in the VTC system due to a phase control command abnormality. The intake camshaft phase is regulated by the VTC mechanism, which plays a pivotal role in altering how engine valves operate during the intake stroke. When the actual phase deviates from the commanded phase beyond acceptable limits, the PCM registers this fault. The VTC oil control solenoid valve, located in the engine compartment near the camshaft, channels oil pressure to enable this variable timing system to function efficiently. This solenoid directly influences the VTC actuator's ability to adjust the camshaft timing. Other components like the VTC actuator B, oil passages, and sensors are also part of this intricate system, working collectively to ensure optimal engine performance. Several potential causes can lead to the activation of DTC P25DF-77. First, oil pressure anomalies may arise from insufficient oil levels or pump failure, impacting the VTC system's operation. The oil pressure sensor may indicate low pressure, leading the PCM to factor this into its diagnostics. Second, the VTC oil control solenoid valve could be faulty. A malfunction here would prevent the proper flow of oil to the actuator, disrupting the required timing adjustments. Lastly, blocked oil passages in the VTC system can impede the flow of oil, leading to various operational failures in the camshaft's phase adjustments. Diagnosing and addressing these issues systematically is crucial to resolve the DTC efficiently. The presence of DTC P25DF-77 may yield several symptoms noticeable during vehicle operation. Drivers might experience significant engine performance issues, with erratic acceleration or loss of power due to improper timing adjustments. Additionally, warning messages could be displayed on the dashboard, specifically related to engine performance or oil pressure, alerting the driver to a potential malfunction. With an inefficient VTC system, the vehicle may suffer reduced fuel efficiency, leading to more frequent visits to the fuel pump. These symptoms not only affect the driving experience, but may also indicate deeper issues within the engine's timing system that require immediate attention to avoid further complications. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P25DF-77 is straightforward, but critical. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the electrical systems but does not start the engine. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to select the in-VTC function. This function will enable targeted diagnostics specific to the VTC system. Upon accessing the in-VTC, monitor the results displayed on the HDS. If the results indicate a failure, it confirms that the symptom previously experienced is duplicated, allowing you to proceed to further diagnostic procedures. This step is vital in accurately identifying if the system is operating correctly or if there are underlying issues to investigate. The second step requires a practical approach involving test driving the Honda CR-V. The vehicle should be driven steadily at a speed between 25 and 75 miles per hour for approximately 10 minutes. This condition helps simulate standard operating scenarios, allowing the PCM to assess the performance of the VTC system under real driving circumstances. While on the test drive, confirm that the HDS indicates the VTC status as on. This status signifies that the VTC system is actively functioning as intended. Additionally, monitor the HDS for any stored DTCs related to P25DF or P25DF during the drive. This multi-dimensional testing approach is essential to determine if any faults occur under normal driving conditions, shedding light on potential issues within the VTC system. After addressing any detected issues leading to DTC P25DF-77, it's essential to perform a final verification of the repairs made. Start by clearing the DTC from the PCM memory. This action is crucial because it resets the system and allows for a fresh assessment of the vehicle's functionality. Following this, conduct another test drive under similar conditions as before to confirm that the VTC system operates correctly and no new codes have appeared. Monitoring the vehicle for any signs of symptoms or warning messages post-repair will help ensure that the repairs were successful. This last verification step is a critical part of the troubleshooting process, confirming that the adjustments made have resolved the initial issues within the VTC system. To minimize the chances of encountering DTC P25DF-77 in the future, engaging in preventive maintenance is highly recommended. First, regular oil changes are vital, since the performance of the VTC system is closely linked to oil quality and pressure. By ensuring that fresh oil is consistently used, the system operates smoothly, preventing clogs or damage. Second, inspecting crucial VTC components, such as the oil control solenoid and passages, can preemptively identify signs of wear or malfunctions. Lastly, closely monitoring overall engine performance will help catch anomalies before they escalate into more significant issues. Establishing a pattern of routine checks and maintenance can prolong the life of the VTC system and avoid similar diagnostic trouble codes down the line. In summary, DTC P25DF-77 signifies a malfunction in the variable valve timing control system of the 2023 Honda CR-V. Addressing this DTC involves a structured approach that includes detailed inspections, practical test driving, and verifying that repairs are successful. The outlined troubleshooting steps guide technicians through diagnosing the issue effectively and systematically. Finally, regular preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring vehicle longevity and minimizing the risk of future DTC occurrences. By adhering to these recommendations, Honda CR-V owners can maintain optimal engine performance while reducing potential repair costs over time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.